German engineering is legendary for precision and reliability, but what happens when that reputation crashes and burns? Today we're exposing the 10 worst German car engines that will absolutely destroy your wallet, from Mercedes M272 disasters, where even some models can be the worst depending on your VIN, to BMW's plastic nightmares. These engines prove that even German engineering can go horribly wrong. Leading our countdown at number 10 is the widespread M272 V6. But here's the key: only specific models are affected by the catastrophic balance shaft defect. Check the link in our description to verify your VIN number before panicking. This aluminum-constructed engine ran from 2004 to 2013, delivering 258 to 316 horsepower across Mercedes lineup from C-Class to Sprinters. The affected models include 2004 to 2008 SLK 350, CLS 350, CLK 350, C350, E350, S350, SL350, plus R350, ML350, and various 280 variants. The critical flaw: Mercedes used defective balance shaft sprocket materials in engines with serial numbers below M2729.34689993. These wear prematurely without warning, causing timing chain failures that destroy pistons and valves. Early symptoms include knocking sounds, chain rattling, check engine lights, and fault codes P1200/P1208. Repair costs are devastating. Balance shaft replacement requires engine removal costing $4,000 to $8,000. While complete engine destruction means $15,000 plus replacement. Mercedes settled a class action lawsuit offering extended warranties and reimbursements. Bottom line, check your VIN first. If you're in the danger zone, this reliable engine becomes a financial nightmare waiting to happen. Up next, at number 9, is the Volkswagen 1.8T and 2.0 TTSI engines from 2012 to 2019, found in the Passat, Jetta, and Golf, 2015 to 2019. These turbocharged four-cylinders are disasters in disguise. The main issue? Catastrophic timing chain failures, often before 60,000 miles. Volkswagen claimed they'd last forever, but they stretch, skip timing, and destroy the engine. Repairs can exceed $4,000. From 2013 to 2017, oil consumption is outrageous, burning a quart every 1,000 miles. Turbochargers fail by 90,000 miles, costing $2,500 plus. Add carbon buildup, misfires, and $1,500 high-pressure fuel pump failures, and the picture gets worse. Even the smaller 1.2 TSI, 2009 to 2012, suffers from timing chain issues and oil thirst, just with less power to show for it. And the 2009 to 2015 TDI diesels? Dieselgate fixes ruined them. Power loss, emission system failures, and constant DF errors. Volkswagen marketed these engines as efficient and modern. In reality, they're ticking time bombs in a nice suit. Avoid them all. Next, at number 8, we've got the BMW N 22.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder from 2011 to 2016, powering everything from the F33 series to the X5. Don't be fooled by the impressive 245 horsepower or BMW's marketing promises. This engine is an absolute disaster waiting to happen. This corporate power plant spread like wildfire through BMW's lineup. 1 Series, 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3, X4, X5, and Z4. Sounds versatile until you discover the fatal flaw that sparked a massive class action lawsuit in 2017. The timing chain plastic guide assemblies are made of defective polycarbonate that becomes brittle and breaks apart. Pieces get lodged in crankshaft sprockets, causing chain breakage or skipping that destroys the entire engine, often without warning. BMW knew about this defect and quietly revised parts in 2015, but millions of earlier engines remain ticking time bombs. When timing chains fail, you're looking at $8,000 to $12,000 for complete engine replacement. Avoid all N20 engines from 2011 through early 2015 completely. If you must go BMW, stick with the reliable N52 or wait for the improved B48 from 2016 onwards. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Next, at number 7, we've got the Mercedes-Benz M278 4.6-liter twin-turbo V8 from 2010 to 2017, powering the S-Class, CLS, and AMG models. This should be peak German luxury engineering. Instead, it's a $15,000 plus repair nightmare waiting to happen. Producing 402 to 449 horsepower, this direct injection monster looks impressive on paper. But owners quickly discover the horror show: catastrophic timing chain tensioner failures due to Mercedes' brilliant decision to skip the check valve, causing chains to stretch and destroy engines. Then come the camshaft adjuster failures, creating startup rattles and triggering P001685/P001785 codes that lead to complete no-start conditions. Oil leaks plague every M278, timing covers, filter housing, camshaft plugs, turning your driveway into a petroleum disaster zone. The twin turbos fail regularly, fuel injectors need replacement every 60,000 miles, and direct injection creates carbon buildup that chokes performance. Avoid 2010 to 2013 early models with the worst tensioner issues. Even fixed later models still suffer from fundamental design flaws. When German precision meets cost-cutting, you get the M278. Luxury car prices with economy car reliability. At number 6, we've got the BMW M57 3.0-liter turbo diesel from 1998 to 2013, powering everything from the E46330D to the X5E53. Wait, this might surprise you because the M57 is actually considered one of the most reliable diesel engines ever built. So why is it here? Producing between 184 to 272 horsepower depending on the variant, this inline-six diesel was BMW's workhorse for over a decade. The engine itself is bulletproof, but specific model years and applications turned this legend into a nightmare. The warning years of 2002 to 2008 saw the catastrophic E6573 OD with its high-tech reliability disasters, cam chain issues, and failing turbos. 2010 brought throttle valve defects requiring warranty extensions on the E9335D. The worst years are 2011 to 2013, when the superior N57 was taking over and late M57 suffered from alternator bolt recalls and undiscovered issues. Repair costs hit $3,000+ for turbo replacements and $2,500+ for cam chain work when problems occurred. Avoid these years: 2002 to 2008 E65 models, 2010 E90S, and 2011 to 2013 entirely. The sweet spot? 1998 to 2001 and 2004 to 2009 early models. That's when this diesel legend truly shined. At number 5 is the Audi A6 C5 2.5-liter TDI, built from 1997 to 2005, used in the Audi A6 and older Volkswagen Passat. The 2.5-liter Turbo V6 diesel engine delivered 180 horsepower, solid performance for its time, but under the hood, a mechanical disaster. The cylinder head design is fundamentally flawed, leading to premature camshaft wear, especially with extended oil intervals. Camshaft repairs can cost $2,500 to $4,000, and that's just the beginning. The infamous Bosch Viv P44 fuel pump is another failure point. Its internal low-pressure pump fails constantly, causing power loss, stalling, and costly bleeding issues. Expect to pay $3,000 to $5,000 for a replacement. The timing belt system is incredibly complex and mounted on an interference engine. A single misstep during maintenance can destroy the engine. Add turbocharger failures, $2,000 to $3,500, crankcase ventilation issues, fuel injector clogging, and oil leaks from nearly every gasket. This diesel promised luxury efficiency, but instead delivers massive repair bills. Great power, terrible reliability. Avoid it at all costs. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. At number 4, we have the BMW N45B16, produced from 2004 to 2011 and found in the BMW 116IE 87 and 316IE 90. It may carry the BMW badge, but this 1.6-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder is a budget engine with luxury-sized problems, especially in the 2004 to 2007 model years. With just 116 horsepower, it's underwhelming from the start. Then comes the timing chain tensioner failure. Often without warning, causing loud engine knock. The timing chain itself stretches quickly, needing replacement every 60,000 miles, or it may jump timing and destroy the engine. That's $2,000 to $3,500, or up to $8,000 if it results in a full rebuild. The VIN OS system is also prone to wear and vibration, costing $1,500 to $2,500 to fix. And this engine demands premium fuel and top-quality oil to avoid knock, pinking, and long-term damage. Despite its small size, the N45 delivers big headaches with barely 72.7 horsepower per liter. avoid the 2004 through 2007 models entirely. At number 3 is the Audi Q5. It's a popular luxury SUV, but certain 2.0T models, especially from 2012 to 2015, are notorious for engine and transmission failures that can end up costing more than the vehicle is worth. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing around 220 horsepower. Sounds solid until things go sideways. The biggest problem? Timing chain tensioner failure. When it goes, and it often does, the chain can jump, causing catastrophic engine damage as pistons slam into valves. The fix? A full engine rebuild or replacement, $7,000 to $9,000, but that's not all. These engines are oil guzzlers. Audi claimed burning a quart every 1,000 miles was normal, but many owners reported worse. The real problem? Defective piston rings, often requiring total engine overhauls. Add transfer case failures in the Quattro AWD system, another $4,000 repair, plus glitchy electronics like freezing MMI screens and failing sensors. And you've got a luxury SUV with a not-so-luxurious repair bill. Worst of all, these problems tend to show up just after the warranty runs out. Some owners even reported complete engine failures before 100,000 miles. Thinking of buying one? Only if the timing chain's been updated, and always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted Audi specialist. At number 2, we've got the sleek and stylish Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 with the 2015 to 2016 models topping the list of luxury letdowns. Don't be fooled by the S-Class inspired interior or the elegant exterior. These cars hide some serious mechanical skeletons. Powering the popular C300 is the M274 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing around 241 horsepower. Sounds good until the timing chain fails, often without warning. One owner's engine let go at just 62,000 miles, racking up $12,000 in damage with no warranty coverage. But it doesn't stop there. The W205 is also packed with tech that loves to fail. Owners report constant issues with the Command infotainment system, seat controls, safety features, and random warning lights, and most of these are tough to diagnose. Got an AMG or high-trim model with air suspension? That's another $3,000 plus per axle waiting to happen when it inevitably fails. If you still love the look, aim for 2018 and newer and always get a pre-purchase inspection. Taking first place is the BMW 5 Series F10, 2011 to 2016, especially models with the N63 V8 and N55 inline-6 engines. While stylish and powerful, these sedans are infamous for their high failure rates, particularly in the 2012, 2013, and 2015 model years. The 550i's N63 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers over 400 horsepower, but it's riddled with issues. Valve stem seal failures lead to heavy oil consumption. Some owners add a quart every 500 miles. The fix? An engine teardown costing $5,000 to $6,500. Both the N63 and the 535i's N55 3.0-liter turbo inline-6 suffer from timing chain failures, sometimes before 80,000 miles, resulting in full engine failure and repairs over $10,000. Add to that fuel injector issues, $350 to $850 each, water pump failures, $1,500, and constant electrical glitches. From malfunctioning iDrive systems to sensor errors, BMW issued a customer care package, but many owners still report $5,000 plus annual repair bills. Love the F10? Stick to the 528i with the N20 engine, or bring a wallet big enough for an engine rebuild. And there you have it, the 10 worst German car engines that turned luxury dreams into financial nightmares. From $15,000 Mercedes disasters to BMW's plastic timing chains, these prove that German badges don't guarantee reliability. Always check VIN numbers and get inspections before buying. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.